Hello everyone, welcome to TechSati. As you can see, today we have Two Drums products in front of us and we are going to introduce you all to this Nepali earphone brand. Two Drum Nepal was founded in 2019 by young and energetic individuals who are greatly passionate for music. So all of Two Drum's products are catered for youth who love music and who love hearing it through high quality earphones. So basically, the products of Two Drum Nepal are divided into 4 categories. The first one is wired, the other one is sports, followed by true wireless and then neckband. And one of the best parts about these earphones is that the price ranges from about 700 to 3200 only. And I think that is extremely good considering the quality they are promising. So today we have 4 different products from Two Drum under 3 of their categories, and we are going to unbox 3 earphones and test and review them. As I had already mentioned, we will only be reviewing 3 earbuds today. So we will be starting with these true wireless earbuds. So let's keep these aside and unbox this one. So this particular earbuds we have is in the T200 model and it features Bluetooth version 5.0. It also has integrated controls and voice assistant. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. Inside the box, we have a couple of things. Firstly, there's this user manual, then the AirPods case with pods inside it. Also, it comes with ear tips and USB Type-C cable for charging. So this particular one we have is an H2 model and it is a wired earphone that works in both iOS and Android devices. So let's quickly unbox it. So firstly, we have a pouch. So this is definitely my personal favorite. Inside the pouch, we have a blue earphone. And it also comes with ear tips and user manual as usual. So the last earphone we have is in the D8 model and this is a sports earphone. One of the best things about this earphone is that it is sweat and water resistant. So let's quickly unbox it. So inside the box we have this beautiful designed earphones along with inbuilt mic. Likewise, we also have this micro USB cable and a user manual to help you. So lastly, it also comes with ear tips and that's it. So these wireless earbuds come with a charging case which is extremely lightweight. It comes with a Type-C cable and takes about 2 hours for charging. These earbuds in particular were a little too big for me, but I think it will be of great hold for medium-sized ears. However, the sound quality was really clear with bass support and it also minimized background noise to some extent. I also used the sports earphones that comes with a neckband. Well, I was supposed to test this in an outdoor setting, but due to some circumstances, I could not do that. Nevertheless, this one was fun to use as it comes with a magnetic lock. It also has a design that is built to ensure comfort to your ears. The sound quality indoors was amazing and its built-in mic makes it even better. Lastly, I'm so happy to be reviewing a Nepalese brand and its products. I think Two Drum Nepal has done a very good job by introducing these high quality earphones at a very reasonable rate. If you guys are searching for high quality earphones or earbuds that come in a good price, I think you should give Tudrum Nepal a try. So you can also scroll their website, which is mentioned in your screen. You can also look after their other product categories which might fit you better. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to TechSavvy. Thank you.